In order to have a good health, not only we need good food and diet, but also we need good sleep. Now, the sleeping problem, or insomnia, or bad sleep, is another huge problem for people all over the world. In order to solve this problem, obviously, people very much easily turn to sleeping tablets. And they're normally is easy to buy, easy to take. And often it does work. But the problem is, if you take sleeping tablets tonight, you probably would need to take them tomorrow. As you're taking them more, the effect of sleeping tablets become less. So you need increase in the dose. So that's going to be quite dangerous. The treatment for this problem in Chinese medicine is another quite unique way of dealing with sleeping problem that different from the normal Western medicine. Although the sleeping problem people normally thinking is to do with brain, maybe your brain too active, your nerves not calm, all these things. But from ancient Chinese medicine, the way of the brain works is very much affected by few things. Number one, we call them water and fire balance. Water in Chinese philosophy is very connected with so-called heart, with spirit. We think the heart is the organ dominate that we call shen, or the spirit or the mind. So in a way, very much affect how your brain function. But the heart cannot working on its own. It also needs to be balanced. So to opposite the fire is the water. So the water will counterbalance the fire, and all water is organ of the kidney. So when the kidney is weak, and they will affect the heart function. We said, let's say, too much sort of activities, too much heat, and then lack of water to counterbalance them. So therefore we call them, your heat will floating up to the brain and floating. At night time, you often get to wake up easily, your sleep is not deep, and also often you feel a little bit hot in bed, you sometimes feel a little sweaty, and you're getting sweating in bed. So for that case, we don't need any tranquilizer to calm them. What is better to do is to nourish the water, nourish the kidney. So in other words, perhaps we should do something, let's say, avoiding coffee, because coffee is diuretic on the kidneys and also stimulate the heart. So you reduce the caffeine intaking, and also make sure not too much spicy food, because spicy food will make it more heated. Secondly, for sleeping is also very linked with stomach. People think, stomach is very much organ of the digestion. It's nothing to do with the brain, but it does. If you eat very late dinner and very full stomach, I don't think you go to sleep that easily. So therefore, how much you eat, how late you eat, very much affect your sleep. Of course, if you empty stomach, you can also not able to sleep well, because your body, your brain lack of nourishment, your brain is constantly so agitated. In order to get good sleep, you need to eat properly, not too late, particularly in dinner time, not too much. So that's the way of Chinese doctor treating sleeping problems. And we have many other, acupuncture treatment, and we have a lot of herbal medicine to help the kidney, heart, and stomach. One more thing I want to tell you. In fact, in our body, everybody have 2 ears. The 2 ears, they look like kidney, and they are, in Chinese medicine, we call them very closely connected to kidneys. If you have a problem with sleeping, another good trick to do, good little tips to you, is to try to massage your ears. Both sides, just use your hands, gently massage yourself, pull yourself a little bit. You do that for 5 minutes on each side of the ears. That will stimulate the ears, and that will get your kidney better, and then that will stop your fire, and that will make your brain much calmer. and you have a better sleep.